what is poppin', Shane? If you're new here, I'm Shane. What is pop? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shane. This is my family's resort, and it is lit every single day, bro. How do that? Okay. Well, I had to flippin' do that thing. So, I just forgot to say, hey Shane Gang, what is poppin'? But yeah, so I'm gonna try to sneeze with my eyes open. So we got a little pepper here, so let me sneeze. Alright, you ready? Oh, it smells awful. Okay, here it goes, I think. Oh, it's like that. Oh, guys, I think I did it! Gang, gang. Gang, 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 gang. If you want it, you got it. If you want it, baby, you got it tonight. But, yeah. That concludes today's tonight's actually, because it is dark out. Whoa. Dark out. But yeah, it was just a little skip thing. Well, I don't know. Remember, long vlogs coming soon, like 20-minute vlogs. Am I right? Okay. So Shane Gang, thank you. Remember to tell your friends. Pass it on. And I will see you tomorrow, cause it's every day, bro. Peace. Oh, wrong one. Peace.